All right, so I'm standing outside my house and I'm gonna do just like a real quick empty house tour. I don't have like my good camera, I'm just doing this on my phone. Let me get out of the sun a little bit. So sorry, it's not gonna be like the best quality and probably be a little shaky, but we're gonna make do. Here we go. So one of my favorite things about this house is the entryway, because I call it like my little secret garden, because you go through this gate here and we have like this little courtyard. It has all these plants and palm trees. So that's the walkway. I just did a circle. This is the entrance to the casita, just like a little extra building. This is gonna be my husband's work studio. And there's a gate to the backyard. And we have this super tall entranceway. So let's go take a look. Hi Moose, it's my dog. There's my daughter. So this is right when you walk in the front door, little closet there. I'll try not to make you like motion sick. So this space right here is gonna be where we put our piano that we have, and this is gonna be the dining room. And eventually we will replace that Phantom of the Opera light fixture. These are the stairs going up. We're replacing the carpet, should be in the next few days or so. So if you go this way, you get to the kitchen. And you can also go this way. There's Bellamy in London. Say hi, guys. All right. So here is the kitchen. You can get a good view. We have like a little pantry situation here. I'm sorry, I'm gonna turn slowly. So this will be our family room. That area where we're gonna put the piano is I guess is probably like the formal living room, but nobody uses it for that anyway. So this will be our family room. There's a fireplace there behind that honey bear. If you come down this way, there is a den off of the kitchen, laundry, and what's over here? Oh, powder room here. This is the door to the garage. Let's go back this way. Okay, before I take you upstairs, I'm going to show you my favorite part of this house. Da, 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 da. Ladies and gentlemen, we have a pool. I'm so excited. I've wanted a pool like my whole life. And here in Las Vegas, it's definitely going to be well used. So this is our backyard. By Vegas standards, this backyard is really big. By Maryland standards, it's tiny. But you know what? It's perfect space for us. So we'll probably put some kind of patio furniture somewhere over there. And back around this corner is like a little skinny sort of alleyway on the side of our house that we'll put some turf down or something for Moose to be able to use the facilities. So let's go back inside. Okay, so we're gonna go up the stairs. Oh, sorry, air filters need to be replaced. And like I said, we're replacing all this carpet. It's kind of gnarly. All right, so we'll start here at this end. This will be my son's room. So this is the biggest of all the secondary bedrooms. And he's got this big walk-in closet, which is super awesome. This is one of my daughter's rooms. It's not really terribly exciting, just a room and a closet. They have this like storage in the hallway Oh, I need to get in better shape. I'm out of breath from going up the stairs. This is the secondary bathroom. So sink's out here, and then the toilet and the shower. Bathtub is back there. Here's one of the other secondary bedrooms. And this is the master. It's kind of cool. It has like vaulted ceilings. Here's the master bath. So the toilet is in here. Shower, tub, and here is my closet, which is the world's brightest light fixture in it. I need to do something to like rearrange the storage in here. I don't really like the way they have it set up, but it's super big closet, which I love. And off of the master, we have a balcony that overlooks the pool. Well, it's pretty cool. That's pretty much it. It's kind of cool that we have this foyer area is all 2-story. So it's really cool. I love that because it just makes it feel super open and airy. And the only other thing is in this closet by the door. My youngest daughter loves this because it's just a regular closet. Oh look, another air filter. But it's got this little like secret hiding spot. So she's super excited about that. But anyway, that is about it.